Are you looking for money to start or grow your business? Well, I'm about to reveal to you the easiest and fastest way to get the most amount of money for your business through a software called the Business Finance Suite. I'm going to show you how the Business Finance Suite can help you improve the secret criteria that lenders have called fundability to make you more fundable and help you get more money at better terms. I'm going to show you how the Business Finance Suite will help you step by step build your business credit and how it will help you condense years off the business credit building process from years to only months to actually succeed. And I'm going to reveal to you how the Business Finance Suite combines all legitimate funding sources in one place and gives you access to over 1,000 different funders to make it easy for you to get the most money at the best terms for your business. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Welcome to the Business Finance Suite. Now, there's three main things you're going to accomplish in the Business Finance Suite, all of which are going to help you become more fundable, help you get the most money at the best terms. Let's start right here on step one with the very first, which is fundability. Look, a lot of loans, credit lines, and credit cards that get denied aren't denied because you don't qualify. They're denied because you don't meet basic fundability requirements that lenders and credit issuers have. It's like a secret approval criteria that you must meet to get approved. Well, that's exactly what step one of the Business Finance Suite is dedicated to. There's over 125 fundability factors. And in step one, we're walking through a lot of the fundability issues that will typically get you denied and helping you get approved. So you can see each step has a little bit of information you're going to enter along the way. In this case, it's company name. There's video training that will teach you everything you need to know. And we're also giving you additional resources to help you. So for example, if you're setting up your business name, you need to access Secretary of State records to see if that name's available. You want to make sure you don't choose a name that puts you in a high-risk industry, so you're able to access those resources. There's even an additional resource you can use if you want further help. Now, this is available in English and or Spanish, and we have an advising team full of business advisors that have helped over 50,000 people build business credit and get financing that will help you along the way. Now, as we go through this step, we help you set up your business address the right way, your entity, your EIN number. We even help you with things like setting up your phone number the right way. So a lot of business owners don't know that being listed in 411 is a big factor that lenders and credit issuers look at to determine if you should be approved or not. Well, in this case, if you want to be listed with 411, you simply tell us that you do. Yes, you do want your phone number to be listed with 411. You enter the information, you move on to the next step, and we handle that for you. So this entire step is helping you set up your business the right way where you become more fundable. Now that we've done this, we want to help you get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. Look, just having things like a DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet, a BIN number with Experian, or fixing negative items on your business credit report could be the difference between getting approved or denied when it comes to credit or financing. So in the Business Finance Suite, we help you get set up with all three reporting agencies to establish your initial credit reports. And then we help you start getting initial credit to help you establish credit scores. Now, the Finance Suite has the largest supply of vendors that are all used to help you build initial business credit. So these vendors will give you credit when you have none. They report the credit to the business credit reporting agencies. And in doing so, you can get credit that helps you build your business while establishing your business credit reports and scores. Now, you can see that we list everywhere that the actual source reports to, the types of terms they offer, whether you're pre-qualified or not, and all the actual underwriting criteria to get approved. I mean, imagine applying for credit cards where you know exactly what it takes to get approved before you even apply. This is one of the ways we cut years off the business credit building process and condense it to only months. You're only ever being exposed to accounts that you can actually get approved for. And we have an entire data team that has relationships with all the underwriters of these sources and helps you only see the underwriting requirements that are needed for you to actually get approved. There's even the secret approval link here and all other details you need to get approved. Now, once you get a handful of accounts here in this step, the next thing that you do is you start monitoring your business credit reports. Now, these cost you $249 a month if you go to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, but we help you do this for only $24 a month. So you save 90% on credit monitoring. You save over $2,200 a year to actually get set up where you can monitor your D&B, Equifax, and Experian reports for cheaper than you'll find anywhere else, which is only $24. And the other nice thing about this step is we're also helping you get LexisNexis credit reports and CheckSystems credit reports. A lot of business owners don't even know that you have a credit report that a lot of lenders and credit issuers are using to determine all types of things about you and your business. That's LexisNexis. We help you get your LexisNexis credit report, navigate, and even dispute your LexisNexis credit report. The same thing with CheckSystems. A lot of business owners don't know that you have a credit score that's used just to judge how you handle your banking history. Okay. And this is exactly what Check Systems is. We help you access that, dispute anything that's on there, and make sure that you give lenders and credit issuers the best perception you want to give them to be able to get the most money at the best terms. Now, as you continue through the steps of the business credit builder, you continue to obtain more and more business credit. Once you have a handful of accounts on your business credit report, you can start to get credit at all different types of places, whether it be fuel stations like Gulf Fleet or Lukoil, or gas or grocery stores like Meijer, places like Quill that sell office supplies, Office Depot office supplies, Home Depot. Okay, so almost every type of retailer from Amazon to Walmart to 7-Eleven and more all offer business credit without a personal guaranteed credit check. And the Business Finance Suite walks you through and helps you access hundreds of these sources so you actually can be able to find the sources you want to grow your business, be able to get credit at all of these sources. And again, all these sources along the way list their actual underwriting guidelines and are done in a tier format, so you only are applying for ones you know you can get approved with. So you can see here, again, the underwriting requirements are here, the actual secret link to apply, all the information about where they report. So this way you're only applying for accounts you know you can get, and therefore saving you a tremendous amount of time. Once again, this is how we take years of business credit building and condense it to only months. And you'll also find that almost every kind of account you could want to grow your business is actually available here. Now, you can also get Visa cards, MasterCard, or what's called cash credits you can use anywhere. You can also get auto financing at places like Ally, Toyota, Ford. You're able to get computer leases at places like Dell, HP, and Apple. Almost every type of credit financing you could want to grow your business is here. You're even able to get sources that actually don't report. So for example, Apple, Best Buy, these are great sources where you can get business credit without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check, but they don't report to the business credit reporting agency. So there's even a separate section here for you to be able to get credit with places like O'Reilly Auto Parts that will give you credit based only on business credit quality. But again, even if they don't report, you're still able to access them in the special section like John Deere and so many others. Okay, so again, this is the largest supply of accounts that you can use to build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social. Now, you can also access over 1,000 funding sources in here as well. So Credit Line Hybrid, you can get 150,000 in credit lines as a brand new startup business. You can get equipment financing, leasing, or borrow against equipment you already have. You can use stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, commercial real estate financing, private equity financing. It's all available through the Business Finance Suite. Every legitimate funding program through over 1,000 sources is here, and an entire funding team whose whole purpose is just to help you get money. So it doesn't matter whether you're just starting a business or whether you're already established, there's all kinds of financing here you're able to access for your business. We pre-qualify you for all the funding you can get now. And again, connect you with the right source so you can get the most money at the best terms. Again, you can monitor your business credit along the way. And there's a lot of extra bonuses as well. For example, you get ongoing business valuations. Now, valuations can cost you $2,000 to get an idea of how much your business is worth. But through the Business Finance Suite, all you have to do is enter your information. You can get an updated report anytime you want to through BizEquity, so you'll know exactly how much your business is worth. And if you want to make a business out of offering business credit financing, the Business Finance Suite gives you all the resources you need to do so. We have secret training that happens once a week, hosted by me, and it's happened for 8 years that you can access. You can access all the resources you want, including ebooks, guides, email content, marketing flyers, articles, press releases, basically the equivalent of like a business in a box full of resources you can actually access to be able to market business credit financing. We have a partner basic training, which also walks you through and gives you all the training you need to successfully offer business credit financing. You can set up sales team. You can manage a sales team. You're able to manage your commissions, all in the Business Finance Suite. So you can have a choice. You can get the Business Finance Suite to get business credit, improve your fundability, and to be able to get financing all in one place through a team and the technology that will help you. You can also come in and add this capability where you have the ability to actually offer business credit financing as a service as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Business Finance Suite. This is the most comprehensive system in the world to help you improve your fundability, build your business credit, and get access to every legitimate funding program in one place. And on top of that, you're also able to offer this wholesale, or actually get this wholesale and offer this as a product and service, putting you in the business of offering business credit and financing. So we'll talk a little bit about how you can actually learn more. Well, there you have it. The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today to help you improve your fundability, to fix the things that make you not lendable so you can be fundable and be able to get more money at better terms for your business. It helps you with a step-by-step process of building your business credit using cutting-edge technology combined with certified advisors that cut years off the business credit building process and accessing all legitimate funding options in one place, which helps you get the most money and the best terms for your business, guided with your own financial team whose sole purpose is to help you get funded. If you want to learn more, give us a call. During a free consultation with us, we will help you do a free fundability assessment to figure out what's wrong with your fundability so you know what needs to be improved. We'll help you get your business credit reports with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian for free, go over them with you and give you tips and tactics to improve your business credit. We'll help you do a funding assessment to find all the funding you can qualify for now, and we'll talk to you more about the Business Finance Suite as well. For your free consultation, give us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487, or you can even schedule it online yourself at creditsuite.com/consult. If you got value from this training, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for future training where we talk about more cool ways for you to get the most money to grow your business.